G'day guys, I'm Scott from OBD2 Australia. In front of me here I have a range of scan tools by iCarsoft. So these are all multi-brand scan tools, meaning they cover multiple brands of motor vehicles. So this is just a quick video to give you a bit of a rundown in the difference of these units. Okay, so up first we've got the CR Pro. So this is their base unit when it comes to multi-brand scan tools. So this unit does cover all the same motor vehicles as these other units. It's just not going to have all the same service functions as the other units. This unit also isn't touchscreen, so it just means you're using buttons to navigate through the menu instead of the touchscreen like the other units. Now after that, you're going from the CR Pro up to the CR Pro S. So you can see a little bit different in size. You've got a 4-inch screen up to your 5-inch screen, but this one here is the touchscreen. The touchscreen just makes it a little bit easier to navigate through the menu system. This one here has 49 different service functions. Now from there you're going up to the CR Max, so a 5-inch screen up to your 7-inch screen. So there's a bit of a difference in the size. The bigger screen just makes it easier to navigate through the menu system. Now there's a CR Max and a CR Max BT. The CR Max BT, the unit itself is the same, but the CR Max has a lead that runs to your car. This one here, CR Max BT, is Bluetooth, so you've got your dongle that plugs into the car. Just means you're not tethered to your vehicle as you're doing your servicing. Nice big screen, just makes it easier to navigate through. Now the CR Max, you can also then get your battery test clips and videoscopes for these as well. From there, you're going up to the CR Max P, which is the new model from iCarsoft. You're going from a 7-inch screen up to your 10-inch screen. Now, look, this is fantastic. If you're a mechanic and using it all day, every day, that's where this is fantastic. Once again, it just makes everything so much easier. The bigger screen just makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for. There we go. Now, all these units do have free lifetime updates. Now, the CR Pro, you just need to plug it into the PC to run the update. The other 3 units, you can just do it via Wi-Fi. So, in this case here, update, the update button, so it should already be connected to the Wi-Fi. Just take a second, and then you have a button to update it. There's no updates, I've already done it on this one, but really just push a button and it will then run your update. So look, that gives you a bit of a basic rundown of the difference between these units. If you have any other questions, please check out obd2australia.com.au.